In this video, I'm going to show you how to export high-resolution images in Figma. Launch the Figma app. Let's open a design from here. Normally, what we do is click on the design title to select the whole design. In the right side menu, scroll down and expand the Export tab. Let's change the export pixels to 2x, which means double. Now let's export the design. Choose a location and save the design as a PNG. Now, if I minimize the app and open the PNG, you can see that despite exporting it at double resolution, the picture is blurry in the small details. Now, how can we resolve this? Let's open Figma again. This time, change the file type to PDF. Now export the design. Close Figma again and launch the Google Chrome web browser. In the search bar, search for PDF to PNG. This is the website we are looking for. The link to the website will be given in the description. On the website, click on Upload File. Now select the PDF file just exported. The website will automatically convert your PDF to a PNG file. After converting, click on Download. Choose a location for the downloaded file. Now let's go back. This is the file I downloaded just now. If I open this, you can see that our PNG file is inside the folder. Let's open the PNG file. If I zoom in on the PNG, you can see that this one is much clearer than the last one. Following these steps, you can export high-resolution images in Figma easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.